It's a staggering 905 degrees Fahrenheit on the surface at the landing site. And the atmosphere is so thick, 100 tons of air pushes down on every square foot of ground.
We have visual on Veneer 14.
Radar's giving 236 meters.
Looks further. Unbelievable distortion.
Orpheus Pegasus, tell him to pace himself. That's a 450-meter round trip.
Must be at least 50 meters. Difficult to see through the heat haze. But it looks like she's still in one piece.
Just past the 28-minute mark. Suit temperature is higher than planned. Heart rate is still up.
Some surface corrosion. Can see a little dust. She may not be pretty. She's tough.
Do we have any commonality between
the Russian robot has beaten Venus.
Recommend we drop the second weather experiment, move straight on to retrieve the core sample.
Yeah, well, John's in agreement up here, so roger that.
Why do we call that a wrap on Venera, Evan? Suggest rapid return to Orpheus.
Copy that.
There's uphill back to Orpheus, and his heart rate's already too high. He needs a breather. The gravity's killing him.
Orpheus is in trouble too.
Doesn't take a break.
Forget it, John. He's got to keep moving. Orpheus Pegasus, I've got an update on your ascent pad.
He's suffering, Fred. Overheating.
Can we get someone?
3 minutes over budget.
Whatever wages we're getting, so we can work out
No
exactly
probe
what it
has
is
lasted
she's
much longer than an hour on the surface down here. Time is running out for both astronauts as Venus takes its toll.
Cabin temperature, 22 degrees, up 4.
Zoe, prepare for launch.
Surface temperatures of 900 degrees plus and a leaking spacesuit weaken Ivan. He's struggling back to the lander.
Just lost. No, it's back. Cabin pressure holding. What's the weather doing?
Surface wind speeds are pinning the rope.
Nina?
We've just lost camera 3.
He's inside.
Supercoolers were on.
Airlock temperature falling. 150 degrees. 70 degrees. 20 degrees.
Can we turn the aircon off?
Confirm taxi pressure. Abort stage set. Engine on to ascent. Priming the aerospike. Ready for launch. Repriming the aerospike. Liftoff.
Mars window is open, reactor temperature nominal, cryogens at 36 psi, and pre-combustion chamber at pressure. All systems are go.
After 3 weeks in orbit observing Venus, it's time to move on.
Event timer countdown to Transmars injection in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
More probes have been sent to Mars than any other planet, but over half of them have failed. It's led some scientists to say that a great galactic ghoul lurks between Earth and Mars, gobbling up spacecraft. It's not a belief the crew of Pegasus wants to think about. Beneath them, a new world stretches out, waiting to be explored.
Pegasus control, you can tell.
On Earth, we have a magnetic field which protects us from the sun. Mars doesn't, and it's the solar radiation we think stripped off most of the atmosphere. There's no ozone layer to block out the sun's UV. So, yes, the surface has been sterilized, but I guess the question is, was it ever alive?
Oh, pedals are clear. I don't see any X motion at all.
Coming up on 3 meters. It's doing fine.
Looking good, Ares.
Commander Tom Kirby will pilot the lander Ares in a descent with its own particular dangers.
Yeah, we're at 0.02 G.
Instead of 100 times the atmosphere of Earth, on Mars it's 100th, which presents its own unique set of problems when you want to try and land. There's not a whole lot to slow you down.
A smaller chute slows Ares initially, But a massive glide chute, the size of a football field, will eventually guide the lander to a site on the south side of Valles Marineris. And a moment mankind has been waiting for centuries.
I lost visual on the ground. There's a lot of dust. All right, I got it. Stand by for touchdown. 3 meters. Down 1. 1 meter. Contact.
The landing site is in the spectacular hills just to the south side of Valles Marineris.
Pressure integrity check. Monitor current gauge.
It's still early morning, and mists lie in the valley. Our first steps on Mars are only moments away.
The hatch is open, and Kirby is on the porch.
We stand at the edge of a new frontier, and we vow that we shall not see it governed by a hostile flag of conquest, but by a banner of freedom and peace.
My footprints are crisp, and the dust clings to my boots.
Wind's picking up. Dust is increasing at your 10 o'clock position, John.
The sky's a kind of butterscotch color.
Tom, there's dust devil activity.
Which way is it heading?
I don't know.
Guess I'll stay here then.
Pegasus, we've got a problem.
Should we scrub the EVA? Ares Pegasus, get Tom inside now.
Seal the hatch, John.
Crew members watch safely from the lander as Commander Tom Kirby gives himself up to the Martian dust devil. They're typically 50 times the size of their Earth cousins.
Will you look at that?
And tower miles into the sky.
Remember, 1 to 2 meters per second. I reckon we're going to be through it in about 10 seconds. Are you okay?
Say again, Ares. You sound a little breathless in there.
Are you okay?
I think so.
Ares Pegasus, Control want Tom inside now, please. I don't care how you break it to him.
That's what I call a Martian welcome.
Do you want to run through a few suit checks?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Why not? It's not as tough as it looks.
The Martian dust is easily sucked up into a dust devil. Luckily, the Martian atmosphere is a pale imitation of ours. Pressures rarely climb above a 100th of Earth's, so although it may look like a whirlwind, it's no worse than a summer breeze.
Ares Pegasus, we have no reports of any dust.
With the dust devil gone, exploration can begin, monitored from orbit by Pegasus. And in the much lighter gravity, the astronauts must learn to walk again.
3 weeks is going to be over before we know it.